Hate kale? I'm gonna change that for you. Alright, I'm not gonna just show you how to make a kale and chickpea salad. That's not what we're doing today. I'm making something hot and super delish. The tastiest sauteed kale and chickpeas. It's my go-to breakfast. It's so easy and it only takes 10 minutes to make. It's high in protein, and not just that. Kale is among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. It's got antioxidants, calcium, vitamins K, A, and C. It's good for your heart, bones, digestion, brains, eyes, skin, and hair. So eat more kale. Now let's start with the ingredients. I've got some curly kale. This is the kind of kale I like the most for this method of cooking, which I'm about to show you. And I've got chickpeas, another great source of protein. I've got some red bell pepper. This is optional. It's just gonna add another layer of flavor and color. I've got a lemon for some of that freshness. You can use a lime instead. Now, I'm gonna be super minimalistic for the kale, so a few cloves of garlic is what's gonna make it tasty and fragrant. And finally, I've got some spices to spice them up. First, you want to remove the big stem of the kale unless you like it for some strange reason. You just grab the end of the stem with one hand and grab the bottom of the leaf with the other and just push. The leaf will just come off. Now, you can chop the leaves into smaller pieces if you don't enjoy chewing, but I like to eat the whole leaves, so I'm not going to. Next, we're gonna peel the garlic. The easy way to do it is just get a plastic container, put the cloves in it, and just shake it super hard. You see that? After about 7 seconds, you get perfectly peeled garlic cloves. Get a frying pan and put it on heat. Now wait until the pan is ripping hot, and then turn the heat back down a little to medium-high heat. Extra virgin olive oil in. And just put all the kale leaves in the pan. And I'm gonna saute the kale until it gets some nice brown char. Season with some salt. When it's charred, flip it over. Then mince the garlic. The moment the garlic lands on the kale, you'd be amazed by how good it smells. I'm not kidding. Black pepper. Cut the lemon or lime and squeeze some juice. And finally, toss it around in the pan. That's it! The kale is done. This is so minimalistic, yet so tasty and crispy. You have to try this. Next, cut the red bell pepper any way you like. It's not really important. Get the chickpeas. Alright, they say you should roast the chickpeas, but let's be honest, only food YouTubers have the time. You don't spend 40 minutes making breakfast, right? So I'm just gonna cook them in the pan along with the bell pepper. Now I'm gonna spice up the chickpeas with some smoked paprika. So this is gonna be the base flavor. But if you want some curry taste, which I do today, get some ground turmeric and cumin. You can also add ground coriander. Put all the spices onto the chickpeas, drizzle some olive oil, and mix. Now, why am I doing this now, not in the pan? That is a good question. Because this way, all the chickpeas will be coated in the oil and with the spices. Now, get the dirty pan with all the aroma from earlier. And cook the chickpeas and bell pepper until the bell pepper is soft and lightly browned and fragrant. Get that vitamin C. And the chickpeas are done. Now everything is ready. Let's plate this up. Here you have the tastiest kale and chickpea breakfast, or lunch, or brunch. If you like more kale in your life, please hit the like and subscribe to my brand new channel. Thank you, and see you next time.